Growing up in Hershey, depending on the weather, depending on the wind direction and so forth, throughout the community, you smelled chocolate. You know, walking around a town that smells like chocolate was great. I get the pleasure of making chocolate at Hershey.
I started working at Hershey when I was 38 years old, and 2 years later my husband died. John was 9 years old when I went in the plant.
When I went back to college the second time, my mother updated my application and had my application in at Hershey, which I was unaware of.
I went down and I said, I'd like to know why you're not calling my son. And they said, well, we don't have his application. And I said, yes, you do. And I said, I'm going to sit here till you find it. And so she found it. And so the next day they called him to come into Hershey. I
love what I do every day. American workers want to work. When opportunities provided to them, like Hershey provides and Walmart provides and the Sam's Club provides, that's what it's all about. When you drive down through the town and 3 miles, you drive 3 miles through Hershey, you're probably going to see a cow. And you're going to see a cornfield. And then you're going to see neighborhoods, and then you're going to see businesses. The businesses around Hershey prosper because of Hershey. I have what I have because of Hershey. And my mom realizes that we had what we had because of Hershey. I'm proud of the fact that we're putting people to work. We have people that are outstanding at what they do. And that makes my job and my peace of mind so much better.
I don't know what I would have done if I wouldn't have had a job at Hershey. I wouldn't have, because it helped me have a nice living.
My family laughs a lot. We enjoy each other. And we're sitting around the campfire and we're enjoying this time. And it's a time where anybody can do it. And when you can sit around a campfire and just have that quality family time, that's what it's about. And it is a great life.